Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Wandering Gypsy Deb. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming adventures. And while you're at it, give this video a like. Share it with your friends and family if you think it's something that they may like. In today's video, we're going to be taking a quick van tour of what I've got packed for my next adventure in the morning, which I am so excited about. I can't wait to take you with me on this adventure. We are going to go to some really fun places. So this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm not packing my fold-up table, camp stove, butane utensils. I'm not going to be doing any cooking. I'm going to be sleeping in some parking lots, which will be new. And I've got some campground reservations. So let's get started and see what I've got packed up. Scarlett Ovana is all ready to go. Inside here in the front, we just have a trash bag. And this is my privacy curtain that hangs up behind the front seats on this strap. It's actually pipe strapping, it's metal, and there's some earth magnets sewn into the top of the curtain, which helps it stick up there. This is my portable toilet when I need one. I use pine pellets in it, and a trash bag. It's pretty nice. I actually just upgraded to this one and I really like it a lot. It's a Stansport. Over here I have a shelf with my Hot Logic Mini, which I'm going to be heating up food in, and two 500-watt Jackery power banks, which I'm going to use to charge my refrigerator, or actually run my refrigerator, which is going to sit on that shelf. There's my bed, there's my coats for my trip. Here are my toilet supplies, toilet paper, usual stuff, the trash bags that go in the toilet, some wipes, some sanitizer. And then back here on the shelf, we have some more sanitizing wipes, the pine pellets for the toilet, a couple containers of those. Down here we have some lavender spray, helps keep things smelling good. A touch lamp, which changes different colors each time you touch it. And let's see what's around to the back. In this cooler I have all my dry foods. I'm going into bear country, so I think maybe that might be airtight enough so that the bears won't smell the food. My water. And then under the bed I have this organizer, which I'm keeping all my clothes in. Has some outside pockets I'm going to keep my charging cords in. And fits quite a good amount of clothing in there. I've got enough clothes in there to last me a good week. Back here, I have my collapsible sink, which I'm going to use to bathe with. Shower bag, because one of the campgrounds I'm staying in does have some showers. Looking forward to that. My makeup and toiletries bag. And then I've got a bin back here with some miscellaneous items. Let's see what we got. We have a tablecloth for the picnic table. We have some Scrubsies rinse-free bath sponges, which I'm going to try. Keep clean. And under here, another bin. Extra toilet paper. Some microfiber cloths for the windshield. Some fire extinguisher. Sunscreen. Some window cleaner. Keep those bugs off. my bear spray. Hopefully I won't need to use that. And a funnel, which I'm going to use to empty the water out of that sink into an empty bottle and dispose of it properly. And in that empty spot, I'm going to be having my camera backpack. So here we are again with the Jackeries, 2 of them. I'm going to power the refrigerator. Some other miscellaneous things, some Kleenex, a lunchbox to carry some items in, my Jackery cords, and some miscellaneous tools. Under here I have some more water in smaller bottles. And in this door I have my gimbal head and mic, umbrella, sanitizer, some gloves for when I pump gas. Nothing too exciting. And in between the seats I have another bin that has some more dry goods and cups, my overnight oats, and underneath are some utensils and napkins. Put this board on top, it makes a nice little table for me. So I've got the privacy curtain up, held up with these earth magnets. They're pretty powerful for little tiny magnets. They stick to that pipe strapping, just covered up with seam binding. And then I clip them on the side with some big clips. So here we go. I've got the fridge all hooked up on the shelf. We're all ready to hit the road for our next adventure. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video when I wander again.